sure everybody knows what a conventional whoopee cushion is, and the flatulent humour that they erupt. However, you can't argue the whoopee cushions are archaic. They have not progressed with the natural evolution in technology that we've seen across the broad range of devices in the 21st century. Therefore, it's obvious that there's a nationwide demand for an upgraded practical joke device that not only incorporates flatulent humour, but also generates a whole myriad of other emotions, including confusion, terror, and anger. And also, it's my godson's birthday coming up, so I need to make him something cool. So the idea is to have a handheld transmitter module and a remotely placeable receiver module. The transmitter module will have multiple buttons on it that when pressed will send different signals to the receiver module that will then interpret those signals and generate sounds. So the receiver schematic has a micro USB charger which goes to a lithium-ion battery and an on-off switch, then 2x 5-volt booster chips. One supplies the Arduino Nano and the other supplies the speaker, which is controlled with a DFPlayer mini chip, and the final component is a radio chip which receives the data. The components were placed onto a breadboard, and then I just soldered the circuitry on. The transmitter schematic is the same as a receiver, but with an additional potentiometer and push buttons. The transmitter components were placed onto a slightly larger breadboard, but I still used the same one-tap solder approach. I then went incognito and searched the darkest corners of the internet for the world's best sound effects, and the device was complete. So on the front of the transmitter, we've got these 5 buttons, and each one is associated with a certain category of sounds. So we have house sounds here, randomly generated. The next one down is phone sounds. And then animal sounds. The next one down is creepy or Halloween sounds. So hopefully they'll be able to freak some people out on Halloween. And the last one down are fart sounds. Everyone loves it. Okay, let's place the receiver module in position. Turn it on. I reckon we can hide it just behind here in the cushions. There we go. No one's going to suspect a thing. Now we can turn on our transmitter, go into the other room, and wait for our suspect to sit down. Mate, that was disgusting. WTF. Hey, that weren't me! I then thought it was about time to do some real world testing. Right, I'm going to put the receiver module here, just behind this bench. So that you can't see it. The bench is all set up and ready to go. Alright, so that's it. I've made the project completely open source, so you can go and check out my GitHub for the CAD and the code. I've also put all the links to all the chips that link up with the Arduino in the description too. So you can go and build this thing if you actually want to waste loads of time on it. Other than that, thanks for watching.